Hello guys, this is Ram and welcome back to my channel Katia for everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to design a centered block. That is, in previous tutorial we had seen how to design a universal coupling joint. Now we will be using the center block to connect two couplings. And also please do subscribe my channel if you like my videos. You also go and see my watch. Please do watch my previous videos that I had on. All that designed in Katia, those were advanced. Watch previous videos and you can gain some basic knowledge, and after you go and watch the advanced videos where I have designed automobiles and airplanes, so it will really help you to gain more knowledge in design engineering field. And without delay, let's start sketching the centered block. And here it was given the dimensions were 20 mm and 30 mm. So let us select the plane, circle. This was 30, and one more circle. This was 20. And just take care while sketching, your circles might overlap. That means when you draw first circle, you might have sketched two or three with same dimension. And now just extrude that. The extrusion length was 35 mm, and click on apply. So I think this it will be better if we extrude it on both directions, because we have to sketch it in both on both the sides. So let's first delete this, and now again extrude 35 means 17.5 and 17.5 on both the sides. I think this will be better because we have to draw one more perpendicular to this. So that's what the reason I have extruded it symmetrically on both sides. Now select a plane perpendicular to this, and now I am selecting this plane. So let's click on sketch and select the horizontal plane and click on OK. And the thing is same. Select circle, and one was 30. We have to draw one more circle, that was 20. Now you should take care that this circle should be tangent to this. So what I am doing is I will go to geometric constraints, select tangent. I'll be selecting this circle, and so first let us draw a basic axis line here so that we can make tangency. Select on this line, and so rather than converting the axis line, I am just mentioning dimension here from this line to horizontal. This was 60. God, that was not 60. Like that would be, yeah, that was 30. So you can see this had become a tangent to this, because from here to here the radius was 15, and from here to the center the radius was 15. Now simply quit your sketch and you can extrude it. I think okay, repeat the steps by creating concentric circles. Okay, here I think they both should somewhat intersect so that we can apply fillet there. So let us click on OK, and let's just edit there, because there must be a small physical contact between them, and in our what we say, in our data they didn't give the intersection length. So let's roughly edit this sketch 3. So I am editing this distance as let it be 25. I think that will be okay. The thing we didn't get an edge is we didn't unite that. So let's again select extrude, select the sketch. In boolean you have to select unite. So before what we have done is we had selected none. So there are two separate bodies, that's why we didn't get an edge there. So if we select unite, they both will, two bodies will get united and they will create an edge here. And now click on apply. Now you can simply select edge blend and specify radius as 2 and just select this edge. Just click on apply. See, edge fillet is created. Yeah, this is that simple. Our circular coupling joint, that is center block joint, is completed successfully. And thank you for watching my video. Also please do subscribe my channel, and that will really motivate me to do more interesting videos on any design software, let it be CATIA, NX or Solid Edge, SolidWorks, and I know every software, and I'm suggesting you to learn CATIA because that is mostly used in every industry. Like when you are a mechanical engineer, you will be mostly going to work with automobile and aerospace, and also you can go to work with structural, and that's different scenario where you use AutoCAD. That all goes with Autodesk softwares, AutoCAD, Fusion 360. And when you come to automobile or aerospace industry, you have to work on CATIA. So that's the reason why I'm mainly stressing you to learn CATIA. And these annex, there are bit disadvantages, even disadvantages with these annex. So I'm not using this tool mostly for design. For simple designs, this is very good because you can see there are very less commands, and also it will be very simple. It looks like user friendly. So, and coming to Ketia, that was also easy, but the thing is you have to concentrate more. And thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and also please share this. Thank you for watching.